Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to send an automatic email. Just a simple mail. How do you send it? Like you may be working in some place and maybe you want to automate your workflow. You want to send some mail at the end of the day and you want to automate that. So this is a simple video how to make that. So post this we can have add-ons like how to attach tables or images and those things we'll have add and see in upcoming videos. So as of now we'll see just how to set up a simple mail SMTP, simple mail transfer protocol, how to set up it to send out a mail to someone. So basically, SMTP library is the main thing to work with mail and protocols in Python. So just import the SMTP library in your local. If you're not having pip install, if you type pip install SMTP lib in your command prompt, it will be installed automatically. And then just I'm initializing three variables over here where one is my email where I'll give my email over here and password is where I'll be giving my app password. I'll show you how to fetch your app password. That's a simple one. And then receiver's email. So whom you want to send your mail, maybe your boss or some employee, maybe you are the boss. So whoever you want to send the mail. So now we'll establish a connection. Connection is equals to SMTP tip dot. There's a class in SMTP which will establish a connection to the mail server. So we'll be giving smtp.gmail.com. If you are using Yahoo or different mail servers, just fetch in Google the SMTP of your thing. Maybe it will come smtp.yahoo.com, something like that. So it will be easy. Just browse it, and 587 is a standard port which will be useful for SMTP. So you can give 587 or this is an optional one. I'm just giving it so that my code will run without any problem. And then connection is equal to start TLS. So this will start the connection by with in a secured way. For us to log into our mail ID, we need to start this initially, and then we'll be giving login user is equals to my email and password is equals to password. These both variables will be initializing over here, and then connection dot send mail of from my email. From address is equal to we have to give the my email, and to address is whoever want to receive the mail and message. In this message, if we give subject and colon, whatever we give here, it will be coming as subject, and then after giving double slash n, this is the body of the email whichever you will get. The email was sent automatically using Python SMTP library. And then after sending out the mail, we have to close the connection. So now I have an example mail details over here. So let me paste it over here. I'm pasting my mail ID and then my password and then my receiver mail. So let me run this code. Yeah, it ran successfully. Now let me go and check the mails whether I got. Yes, I got a mail from Fast and Last 55. Python SMTP tutorial. This email was sent automatically using Python SMTP library. So here, if you want to send any bulk mail or something, you want to attach something, you can do it like this. So now the question is, how do you create this password? So in order to create the password, you have to enable two-step verification in your Google. After turning on two-step verification, go here, and here you will find an portion called app password. Go inside there. After you go in there, you will be. Let me log in. After login, you create an app name like something mail automation and give create, and you will get a password pop up like this. So just copy this one and put it in your code, and that's it. We automated the mail. I'll be uploading this code in GitHub and I'll give this thing for your reference. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe. Up in next video, I'll show you how to attach Excels or sheets or words, documents, everything, tables, those things in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.